Hello kids, welcome back. I'm Farida and today we are going to learn a poetry. It is called Two Big Aeroplanes. So let's begin. Two big aeroplanes. Two big aeroplanes. Two big aeroplanes flying high, flying high. Circling and turning in the sky, in the sky. Two big aeroplanes, flying high, flying high. Circling and turning in the sky, in the sky. Kids, now I am going to teach you how to make a paper plane. So you will just need one craft paper. Okay? So pay attention.